Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the recruitment from Cognizant which is currently going on. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel. Also you can see that we regularly post aptitude related videos and also verbal ability related videos and also interview preparation related videos on our channel. If you have not checked the playlist section of our channel till now, please do so that you can access various content on our channel. So let's start with today's recruitment. So the recruitment is from Cognizant off-campus hiring, which is for Gen Z, and you can see the batches eligible are 2020, 2021 and 2022. So this might be the last opportunity for the year for the 2022 batch and for the other non-CSE branches, because you see that all the other companies have stopped their hiring. So definitely apply for this drive, and let's see some of the details now. So the CTC, you can see they are offering is 4 lakh per annum, and the salary breakup or additional info is that is the after the successful completion of the probation period, the ATR will be revised to 4,50,000. So now let's see the job description. So you can have a look at the job description. So this role is basically for freshers. So if you have completed your graduation in either of the year, that is 2020, 2021 or 2022, you are eligible for it and you can apply for it. So definitely apply for it. Let's go ahead and let's see the eligibility criteria. So as I said, if you have graduated in 2020, 21, 2022 batch, and if your branch were if you have done BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc in CSIT, which means that for all the other degrees, if you have done your bachelor's or master's in any field, you can apply for it. Only the MSc people have to have their degree in CS or IT, and MS software engineering 5-year integrated course degree students only. So which means that if you have done your bachelor's in any field, be it from civil, mechanical or any other branch, you are eligible for it, you can apply for it. So consistent academic records of a minimum 50% in 10th, 12th, diploma, UG and PG. So if you have minimum 50% in 10th, 12th and your undergraduate and postgraduate, then you can apply for it. No standing arrears in current education, so you should not have any backlogs. Minimum 2 years gap in education, so you should only have 2 years of gaps if in between. So at the time of joining, all recruits needs to have minimum 50% aggregate in the pursuing degree with no standing arrears. So when you are joining, you should not have aggregate less than 50%. So you can see more of the details here. So they have mentioned everything. So students should have soft copies of the below mentioned documents ready to be shared during the online interview. So please be ready with these documents, that is your resume, maximum of 2 pages. Don't make your resume more than 2 pages, with high resolution passport size photographs embedded. So you have to attach your passport size photograph on your resume. All academic mark sheets and certificates for verifications, Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport if available. So you have to keep your Aadhaar card and PAN card, and if you have passport, you can attach that too. So be ready with all these documents. If you will get selected, you have to provide this to them. Then if selected candidate will be onboarded as a fresher, no prior experience will be considered. So if you are experienced professional and if you are applying for it and if you get selected, you will be considered as a fresher and not an experienced professional. So you need to register on your Superset email ID, and then you need to upload your documents that are the required documents. If you get any doubts while uploading documents, you can ask in the comment section, and keep your ID the same ID only, because and for the first round till the interview you will have all the updates on that email only. That is why. And you can see that in the attached document that they have provided, they have mentioned the similar things, that is the eligibility criteria and all the details that we have gone through. And again they have mentioned that the joining compensation will be revised after 1 year after the probation periods ends. So this is a very important job recruitment. If you have not yet applied, you need to apply as soon as possible, as the last date is very near. You can see that the application deadline is 16th of October. that and 11:59 p.m., which means that, and don't wait for the last time, because until the last time, because many people try to apply at the last time, so the site might crash or it may not load. So in order to avoid all those problems, just try to fill this form as soon as possible. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts while applying, you can ask in the comment section. Also, if you are new to the channel, if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please do so that you can get regular updates from our channel. And also, we are going to upload regular videos related to aptitude preparation and reasoning on our channel, and also interview experiences of the selected students in Cognizant. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so and hit the bell icon so that you will be getting notified for all the uploaded videos. Thanks for watching.